Coding and Programming Crash Course, Python. Introduction. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its simplicity and readability. In this crash course, we'll provide an overview of Python, its applications in various fields, and its importance in the world of coding and programming. Stories and examples. Before we dive into the technical aspects of Python, let's explore some interesting stories and examples that showcase its significance and impact in the programming world. 1. Guido van Rossum and the birth of Python. Python was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer. Guido envisioned a programming language that emphasized simplicity and ease of use. He wanted to develop a language that could bridge the gap between scripting languages and system-level languages. Thus, Python was born. 2. Python's popularity in web development. Python gained popularity in web development due to its simplicity and the availability of powerful frameworks like Django and Flask. Django, a high-level web framework, allows developers to build complex web applications quickly. Flask, a microframework, provides a lightweight solution for smaller web projects. 3. Python in data science and machine learning. Python has become the go-to language for data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and SciPy provide essential tools for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Additionally, machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch empower developers to build advanced models and algorithms. 4. The Raspberry Pi and Python. The Raspberry Pi, a credit card-sized computer, gained popularity among hobbyists and educators. Python became the primary language for programming the Raspberry Pi due to its simplicity and compatibility. Python enabled enthusiasts to create innovative projects ranging from home automation to robotics. These stories illustrate Python's versatility and widespread adoption across various domains. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Top 12 Popular Python Syntax. Now, let's explore the top 12 popular Python syntax elements that are fundamental to coding with Python. Understanding these syntax elements will provide you with a strong foundation to write clean and efficient Python code. 1. Variables and data types. In Python, you can declare variables and assign values to them. Python supports various data types, including integers, floats, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. 2. Conditional statements. Python offers conditional statements like if-else and nested if-else, enabling you to execute different blocks of code based on specific conditions. 3. Loops. Loops allow you to repeat blocks of code. Python provides for loops and while loops to iterate over sequences or execute code until a specific condition is met. 4. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. You can define your own functions in Python and call them whenever needed. 5. Lists. Lists are mutable sequences that can store multiple values. Python provides various list operations, such as appending, removing, and slicing elements. 6. Tuples. Tuples are similar to lists, but they are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be modified. Tuples are commonly used to store related pieces of information. 7. Dictionaries. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs. They are useful for organizing and accessing data based on specific keys. 8. Input and output. Python provides functions for accepting user input and displaying output. The input function allows users to enter values, while the print function displays output on the screen. 9. Exception handling. Python allows you to handle and manage errors using try-except blocks. This ensures that your program continues running even if an error occurs. 10. File operations. Python provides powerful file handling capabilities, allowing you to read from and write to files. You can perform operations such as opening, reading, writing, and closing files. 11. Modules and packages. Python's modular nature allows you to organize code into reusable modules and packages. You can import modules and use their functions, classes, and variables in your code. 12. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Python supports object-oriented programming paradigms. You can define classes and create objects to encapsulate data and behaviors. Summarization. In this crash course, we explored the fundamentals of Python programming. We discussed the birth of Python and its popularity in web development, data science, and the Raspberry Pi ecosystem. Python's simplicity, versatility, and extensive library support make it a powerful language for a wide range of applications. We then delved into the top 12 popular Python syntax elements, including variables, conditional statements, loops, functions, data structures, input and output, exception handling, file operations, modules and packages, and object-oriented programming. Python's easy-to-understand syntax and vast community support make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Whether you're interested in web development, data analysis, machine learning, or automation, Python has got you covered. Poem. Python, a language versatile and clean. From Guido's vision, its essence gleaned. Web development it has embraced. With frameworks Django and Flask, it raced. Data science, machine learning, and more. Python empowers us to explore. NumPy, pandas, libraries abound. Analyzing data, patterns unbound. Variables store values, data types galore. Loops and conditionals, code to explore. Functions reusable, tasks they perform. Organizing code, making it the norm. Lists, tuples, dictionaries, they reside. Holding data, Python's stride. Exception handling, errors we tame. With try-except blocks, resilience we claim. Modules and packages, code we reuse. Importing functions, we freely choose. Files we read, write, and manipulate. Python's file handling, truly great. Object-oriented, classes we create. Encapsulating data, code we relate. Python, a language, so vast and grand. Unleashing creativity at our command. Song. Verse 1. In the world of coding, a language so grand. Python's the name, in high demand. Web development, it takes the lead. With Django and Flask, it's pure speed. Chorus. Python, Python, a language so bright. From data science to automation's might. Loops and conditionals, functions too. Python, the language that we pursue. Verse 2. Lists and tuples, dictionaries in store. Storing data, Python we adore. Exception handling, errors we catch. With try-except, we rise and stretch. Chorus. Python, Python, a language so bright. From data science to automation's might. Loops and conditionals, functions too. Python, the language that we pursue. Bridge. Modules and packages, code we share. Importing and reusing, Python's flair. File operations, reading and writing. Python's file handling, so exciting. Chorus. Python, Python, a language so bright. From data science to automation's might. Loops and conditionals, functions too. Python, the language that we pursue. Outro. Python, the versatile, the coder's delight. With syntax so clean, it's a beautiful sight. Embrace Python's power, let your code shine. With Python, endless possibilities align. Asterisk 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 start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.